You tell yourself, this time will be different. You make a plan. You feel motivated. You start strong. For a few days, maybe even a week, you show up. You wake up early. You try to stay focused. You push yourself. And then, slowly, you stop. Not all at once, just little by little. You skip one day, then another, then everything falls apart. And you sit there thinking, why can't I stay consistent? Listen carefully. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack discipline. It's because you're relying on motivation instead of building a system. Motivation feels powerful in the beginning, but it fades fast. And when it disappears, you're left with nothing to hold you up. That's where most people fail. They start big. They go all in. They try to change everything overnight. And that pressure breaks them. Consistency doesn't come from intensity. It comes from simplicity, from doing something so small that you can't skip it, something so clear that there's no confusion, something so repeatable that it becomes automatic. Think about it. A warrior doesn't become strong in one battle. He trains the same move again and again until it becomes part of him. That's consistency. Not perfect days, not huge efforts, just showing up, even when you don't feel like it. So stop chasing motivation. Stop trying to be perfect. Pick one simple habit and do it every day, no matter what, because consistency isn't built in big moments. It's built in the small ones that you refuse to skip. And once you master that, everything starts to change.